She's mesmerized by this show.
Brainy baby.
She stopped jumping up and down.
Oh, I should probably turn this off to probably distracting her.
Peekaboo.
This is good. Look at her. Ow! She's getting air.
There it is.
There's the truck. That can jump.
You can see that her pants are pulled up on her right leg.
She's thugging it.
Yeah.
Peekaboo, Jack. Peekaboo, Ansley.
You love this TV show, huh, Maddie? Oh, look, she's really good at spinning the ball now.
Yeah. Well, she's.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you, my dear.
The ball's the first thing she learned how to do, so she's got some practice.
Little block.